Welcome back again. Previous lecture we have see concept of the mode, problem based on the group and the ungrouped data of a mode. In this lecture we are going to see what is a median, concept of median, problem based on group and the ungrouped data. Median, it is a simple concept. Median, it is a middle distribution of all data. Median is a what divide the score in the distribution into two equal parts. Means that median is that value 50% upper data and 50% lower data are divided in two parts. That value is considered as a median. It is also known as a middle score of a data. Median is a one type of a central tendency. Median is determine the sorting of the set of data in the lowest order in or the highest order. That means data are arranged in the form of a ascending order and the descending order, and then from we calculate the median value. If the data are odd, then median is a single value. If data are even in number, the median having the two values. It is not affected by the extreme values. Let's see one problem based on that. First we have to know the steps of the solving the problem. First the data arranged in the ascending or the descending order, then we have to uh, calculate the median by using the formula. For the median formula is a n plus 1 divided by 2. That term is a median of that data. Let's see, there are the data are given of 7 student marks of English. There is a 19, 17, 16, 15, 10, 5, 2. Let's n is nothing but the number of observation. How many observation there are? There are 7 observation. Let's put n value in the formula. 7 plus 1 divided by 2 and 8 by 2, and the answer is a 4. That means our median is a not 4. Median having the fourth number value in the data. Which is fourth number value? There is a 15 for that data, and our answer is a 15. That are simple when data are the ungrouped. Let's see, that are the one type of example for solving. You solve and give me answer. Let's data in the ungrouped data. When data are classified into ungrouped data, first instead of that n, we have to calculate the cumulative frequency plus 1 divided by 2, and we get a value that is a 60 plus 1 divided by 2, and answer is a 30.5. I always say that 30.5, it is not a median. 30.5 observation are occur in that frequency. That frequency, it is a our median. Let's see 30.5 in which frequency occur. That are the cumulative frequency 38. For that our median of data is a 13. Simple, that is calculation. Let's if data are in the form of a class interval, how we calculate? There are formula is given. Median is equal to LB plus n by 2 minus CFP divided by FM into CI. Let's see the denotation of each symbol. X is the median value, MC is the median class category, then LB is the lower boundary of median class, CFF is the cumulative frequency of a preceding median class, FN is the frequency of a median class, and CI is the size of a class interval. Let's solve the one problem based on that. Let's see. uh, Frequency modal class, we consider the highest value of a data that are considered as a frequency of a median class or the modal class. Here is a 9 is a frequency of modal class, lower boundary is a 35, preceding frequency is 70, n is a 40, and the class interval is a 4. Let's solve the problem. LB is a 35, 20 minus 70, FM is a, that means median frequency is a 9, and the class interval is 5. We get a 36.17, that are the median value. And which are 36.17, that means 36.17 that are included in a 9, so that the median of class is a 9. Simply let's solve this problem as same this manner. First calculate the cumulative frequency. After calculating the cumulative frequency, decide the frequency median class. After deciding frequency median class, then we calculate the class interval. After that, lower boundary of class. Then um, uh, cumulative frequency of a model class. In this way we are calculating and we get an answer. Next, the merits. It is a rigidity defined. It is easy to understand and easy to calculate. It is not at all affected by the extreme values. It can be calculated for the distribution with the open-end classes. Median is the only average to be used while dealing the qualitative data. Can be determined graphically. In case even number observation and median cannot be determined exactly, it cannot based on the all observation. It is not capable of further mathematical treatment. In this lecture we have see what is a median, concept of medians, problem based on the median, group data, ungroup data, and the class interval type of data. Thank you. Remaining parts of a central tendency we see in a next lecture.